Think birds are cute and sing pretty songs. Think again, partner. These birds sound like nightmares with feathers. Number 5. Barn owl. This bird doesn't hoot. It screeches like a ghost in a blender. Who gave it the horror movie contract? Number 4. Peacock. It looks like royalty, but screams like it stepped on a Lego. Not majestic, just loud. Number 3. Common loon. Not so common when it sounds like a banshee lost in the woods. Creepy lake vibes, 100%. Number 2. Shoebell stork. This bird clacks its beak like a machine gun, looks like a dinosaur, sounds like war. Number 1. Lyrebird. It copies anything. Chainsaws, alarms, even babies crying. Nature's creepiest sound. Heard enough squawking terror? Like and follow. Unless you're scared of birds now.